Number 12 is draw this angle in standard position. So what we're doing is putting it on a graph, remembering that it's negative, so it goes down, right? We know that it's more than 360, so it's going around, right? At least once. So there's 360, okay? And when I take 360 away from 660, I don't need to worry about it being negative or positive anymore because I know it's going down. Now I just treat it the way I would treat a positive one, right? I take 360 away from 660 and I get 300, right? So now I just got to go 300 more. Well, I know that this is 270 to here, right? We know that this is negative 270 if this is negative 90, right? So 90, 180, okay, 270. So I can continue going around to 270, and it's going to leave me, if I take 270 away from this, right, it's going to leave me with 30, right? So I just got to go 30 more, okay? So I need to go 30 more this direction, right? So 30 more, and I'll be able to have an angle that's negative 660. So that's, again, 360, 270, and 30 is going to produce that angle of negative 660. Does that make sense? Just always breaking it down into easy chunks. The easiest chunk, 360. The next easiest chunk, 180 or 270. Right? The next easiest chunk is 90. Right? And then once we break them down in these 90s, 180s, 270s, 360s, then we break it down into the smaller pieces, the pieces that are smaller than 90. Right? Now, in this case, it ended up being 30. It might be 54. It might, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it ends up being, who cares? Just go that far, and that's how far it is. Okay? And that's how you draw an angle. It's not terribly difficult. Okay? Break it down into pieces we know by 90s. So we got 90, 180, 270, and 360s. Once you break it down into those pieces, now you can break it down into the smaller pieces.